Hello fashion lovers, welcome back our YouTube channel Amna Fables. If you are new my channel, so please like this video and subscribe my channel Amna Fables. Let's talk about one of the most versatile and styling pieces in every woman's wardrobe, long skirt dresses. From casual outings to formal events, the long skirt dress brings grace to any occasion. Whether you prefer prints, solars, or unique textures, there's a long skirt dress perfect for your style. One of the reasons long skirt dresses are so popular is the range of fabrics. Light and breathable fabrics like cotton are perfect for daytime wear, while luxurious fabrics like silk and chiffon can elevate your evening look. You can effortlessly accessories a long skirt dress for any occasion. Add a statement belt to cinch your waist. Throw on a wide brimmed hat for a chic day out, or layer with a jacket for cooler evenings. Boho Chic was sophisticated elegance. Long skirt dresses come in various styles for a free-spirited vibe. Choose a bohemian design with earthy tones and flowing fabrics. For something more formal, option for structure with classic details. Long skirt dresses elongate your frame, making you feel both confident and feminine. Pair them with sandals for a casual day or elevate the look with heels for a night out. One of the greatest parts of long skirt dresses is their versatility. Transition seamlessly from day to night by swapping accessories or adding a jacket. It's that easy to refresh your look. No matter your personal style, long skirt dresses allow you to express your individuality while staying comfortable and stylish. Whether you are running errands or attending a special event, this timeless piece will have you covered. Discover the endless possibilities with long skirt dresses and add a touch of grace to your wardrobe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite long skirt dress looks with us in the comments.